Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got this ginormous model kit. It's really not a ginormous model. It's just the box is really big. But it is a big kit. It's a 1/16 scale. Testors, but it's a Fujimi. It's a Fujimi right there, model kit that Testors reboxed. Porsche 959. Says the Porsche 959 is an elegant 200 mile per hour class sports car. Its designers were told to make no compromises. So that's pretty cool. Says four-wheel drive right there, four-wheel drive. I did not realize that this car was all-wheel drive. Posable front wheels, opening doors, real rubber tires. The lid opens to reveal a detailed 2.9 liter twin turbo engine and a completely pointed interior, whatever that means. I'm going to open this thing up. Hold on, let me turn it around and show you the back. There's the back of it. It's a good looking car. I've got this in 1/24 scale. Let's see, where's it at? Got a couple of them, 1/24 scale. Okay, there they are, Porsche 959. Yeah, different wheels though. It's like it has a different style wheel on the 1/24. It's also Testors, but it is, I think it may be a Fujimi. I don't know, but anyway, it's curbside anyway. This one's got it all, but it's a big, nice 1/16 scale. But yeah, it's got the opening doors and all that stuff. So inside this, let's get it turned back around here. Inside this, we'll look at the contents. There are two big cardboard boxes full of parts. So we get them out of here and we'll open them up and check this thing out. It is a big old box. I got this from a friend, George Oppenheim. George saw it at a model show. He said, "Would you like this? They want such and such for it." I'm like, yeah, if you can get it, I'll send you the money. So anyway, George picked that up for me. And alright, so let's check out the body. So 1/16. So I need something to compare this to. Let me grab a 1/24 scale. Be right back. Alrighty, get you down here a little closer. See if we can't get this thing in here. Alright, so what's the difference in 1/16 and 1/24? A lot. A whole lot. So you can see the difference here. It's dang near half. I mean, it's it's way bigger. And you know, 1/24 is a touch, you know, bigger than what most of us build all the time of 1/25. So this is just a little bit bigger than that, but you can just see the difference in size. So it's a big model kit, which is cool. I think that's really neat. All right, so back to it. Let me open this box back up and we'll dig through some of these parts and check them out. So, well, let's look at the body a little closer. Like I say, it's got the rear deck does open to reveal the engine. Really got this darn camera too low now, I think. There we go. But yeah, it's a nice looking. It's so big. I'm not used to that. I'm used to having the whole car in the frame, but this one's is much bigger. So yeah, it's a nice model kit. It's neat, very neat. All right, let's see what's in these bags here. What we got here? All right, so oh man, I hadn't looked at the decals yet, because all these will be decals. So there's your dash. So much bigger to be able to detail it. There's a bug crawling right here. Look at that little guy. Get out of here. Door panels. Speaker built into them. Some seats. There's your seat backs, pedals. Got no clue what that is right there. There's your kind of like the console area of the car where the gear shifter and all goes. These look like part of the door panels, maybe. Yeah. And then there's your Porsche 959 steering wheel. That's neat. And the rear seats, or at least the bottom portion of it. Cool. Here's under the front hood area, so your trunk essentially. There's that. It's like maybe I know that can't be the fuel cap, but could be, but I doubt it. I don't know what that is. And there's some more of the interior tub. I know that there's that Porsche group build going on, but I don't think I'll be able to swing it. This kit would take some time to build too. There's some neat looking little fans, coolers of some sort. There's some door hinges, trunk and door hinges inside of the doors, under the front bonnet. Is that what they call it over across the pond? The bonnet. We call it a hood over here. So there's your hood, bonnet. There's the rear deck cover right there. See a mirror. Neat. And then there, looks like that'll go over the go right here. So that grill area will fit right over the rear, because these air-cooled engines. I believe this is air-cooled. I could be wrong on that. Here's the glass, which I will not take out, but looks good. Oh, and here's the rear spoiler on its own little package. Let's see what this book is. That's the instruction manual. Okay. Well, I wonder if the decals are in here. I always like looking at this. So this is I don't know what year it is. It didn't have it on the box, I don't believe. I don't think it did. Let me take another look real fast, because 88. Yes, it does. So 1988. These were your 1988 options from Testors, which all they did was rebox other people's stuff. That's a 12th scale. Dang, I bet that's giant. Look at the engine and all that goes with it. That's cool. All this stuff. Look at that motorcycle. Suzuki 1100S Katana. Yeah. It's got over 170 parts. So it's got lots of parts. Twin turbo. Cool looking brakes. Anyway, I don't see any decals in that. So let's stick all this in here and open the other box. I don't want to forget my Porsche body there. Alright, to the side you go. Run out of room in here, folks. It's getting tight with these big model kits. It was getting tight with all small model kits. Now, just keep adding to the pain. Oh, here's the decals. Well, there's two of them. How do you like that? That's awful nice of them. They gave me 2 sets of decals. So there you go. It's even got like dimensions and stuff. I don't know. I guess you can make a little sign or something. Big old tag. That's a big tag. Yeah, nice. Okay, they look pretty good too. So this kit has never been opened until now. Here's your underside of your chassis, I guess, essentially is what this is your chassis. Nothing to it. There's no details or anything on that. man, those are nice. Guess I'll take them out. Check that out. Isn't that cool? Giant too, just so big. And there's the other section of the wheel. Looks like a lot of suspension parts here. Oh, got one loose. Alright, so transaxle top and bottom right there, or top half, bottom half. There's some sort of pan, probably goes over under the engine or something like that, don't know. Big giant brake discs. Oh, those would look nice, detailed out. Very neat. Man, that's got like a, oh, that must be a parking brake. And then the main brake, big giant, looks like 4-piston calipers. There's your shocks and springs, tie rods, suspension. No clue what this is. Another suspension part. More suspension, windshield wipers. And the part that fell off was a, oh, your rear axle. So it went right here somehow or another. So there's your axles. Make sure nothing's out of these bags before you throw the bags in the trash. Done that before. Sure did. Alright, so I just noticed something, that this transaxle here, that's the front. That's going to be your front wheel drive, because here's the rear, the engine transaxle. So that's not a transaxle for the front, that's just a differential. But anyway, there's the differential or transaxle for the rear. It's like a big muffler tube and fuel injection type of stuff. There's your coolant fan, so it is air cooled. Turbochargers. Some sort of suspension bracing. There's the top of the engine. It's a opposed 6-cylinder, air cooled. There's the lower part and the, oh, this is even overhead cam and all too. That's neat. Got Porsche on the valve cover. And looks like the front. Okay, that's the front of the engine there. So it's got a lot of details. This looks like air intakes, maybe intercooler stuff. There's more of the turbos. So that's neat. And then no idea what this is. Maybe a stand to sit it on. I don't know what this is. What that is. No clue. Alright, then the tires. And it's got some where you do your grill with some wire mesh. Oh man, those tires are nice. See, it's got this wire mesh here. There we go. So I guess for your front grille, I think, front intake under the front wheel, the very front bumper area. I think that's where that goes. It's got these gigantic, let's see, what kind are they? Bridgestone. These things are really soft. There's not a lick of flash on the tires. Well, maybe just barely. Those are nice. And then it comes with some tubing. I guess probably spark plug wires or something like that. I don't know. And some part for the wheels. Wheel retainers or something like that. So I don't know. Anyway, that's all. Such a big box. Well, it said 170 parts, so there is quite a few parts. And it's so much bigger than that. But anyway, where did it go? There you go. Alright, thank you for watching. 959 Porsche. Got it from George Oppenheim. I think this came from up in Maryland or someplace up there. He was at a show somewhere and he got it, picked it up for me, and got it for me. Anyway, thank you, George. And yeah, see, I think that mesh goes behind these right here, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you hadn't, or subscribe if you hadn't, like the video. And I got all thrown off because Miss Heather came in here. Can you smile for the camera? She threw me off. She came in mid box opening and kind of threw me off. But anyway, all right. Let me know if you've ever built this too, because I'm just assuming it probably builds up really nice, but I don't know. Never built one. So you guys let me know if you have. And don't forget to check out hobbynutmodels.com. It's linked in the description of all my videos. And if you'll click on the link that's in the description and let that link take you to Hobby Nut, if you do make a purchase, I'll get some credit for that. And I'd appreciate that. So you guys take care. Check out the Facebook group, the Patreon group, and the Spring Store, and all those things that are linked in the description of the video. I appreciate it if you go check them all out. And I'm done. So you guys take care, and we shall see you all on the next video. All right, take care. Bye.